Hello, Super Writers. Our target skill for today is I can use capital letters and commas to write dates and holidays correctly. Let's take a closer look. Looking at these sentences, we are going to look for the capital letters. What are special about the words that are capitalized? In this first sentence, my birthday is in September. We see that the first word is capitalized because it is at the beginning of the sentence. Do you see another word that has a capital letter? The word September has a capital letter because it is the name of a month. Let's look at the next sentence. Lunar New Year was on Friday. Do you see capital letters in this sentence? Lunar New Year is capitalized because it is a holiday. The name of a holiday is capitalized. Friday is also capitalized because it is the name of a day of the week. When we name a day of the week, it gets a capital letter. Let's take a close look at this sentence. Today is Monday, February 15th, 2021. Let's first look for the capital letters. I see that there's a capital letter at the beginning of Monday because it names the day of the week. February is also capitalized because it names the month. Now let's look for the commas in this sentence. When we are writing a date, we place a comma after the day of the week. We also place a comma after the day of the month. So our sentence is, today is Monday, comma, February 15th, comma, 2021. We see that this date is made up of a day of the week, a month, a day of the month, and the year. Let's practice placing commas together. Do you see where the comma should go in this sentence? Today is February 15th, 2021. I'm going to place the comma in between the day of the month and the year. Today is February 15th, comma, 2021. Let's look at this sentence. This is my cousin Ellie. My cousin was born on Wednesday, February 10th, 2021. My cousin was just born a few days ago. Where should the commas go in this sentence? Wednesday, February 10th, 2021. We place the comma after the day of the week. We place another comma after the day of the month. Boys and girls, now it is your turn. Read the sentence. Cut and glue the comma where it should go. Have fun, first graders!